Hey guys, you're welcome again to my channel. My name is Toriora. I know I don't look perfect or anything, but this is how I look when I'm going to shop for groceries. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm learning to save money on grocery shopping. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been walking quite a distance. So I realized that me and my husband have been spending so much on food. We just go into the grocery store and we pick what we want and pick what we think we will need for the week. And over the course of, a few months, we've thrown so much food away, wasted so much money that could have been going into our account. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm changing that and I'm, spending less on food. I'll catch you guys later.
So I really truly believe that the first step you have to do is plan. So I created my own special binder which has all my favorite recipes. If any friend gives me a recipe, I throw it in here. And first I plan what we're going to make for the week, usually about 2 to 3 meals which I can spread across. And then the next thing, I take my good trusty bag because I don't want to have to pay extra for a bag, and I take it with me. So when I'm going, I try to scan every single aisle. I try to look at the different, especially with my list in hand, I look at every single thing I want. So for instance, I wanted cake, and so I was taking some chocolate, but that costs £1.30 per piece. So I looked at it and thought it didn't make any sense. Plus, I had to buy the other ingredients like plain flour and all of that. So it didn't make any sense. So I put it back. And here's what I did instead. I went for cake, which only cost me about £2.75. And I always pick my stuff from the back because it always has a later expiry date. So I always pick from the back. Now, I know this may be common to a lot of people, but I always buy the store name brand because it's always cheaper. Like, look at this. Look at the price difference. The same weight, probably the same quality as well. Another trick that I use here is with chicken. I like to buy, instead of chicken breast, I buy chicken thighs because I can always take off the skin and take out the bones, and I still have the same type of chicken anyway. So this is all I bought. This is everything, and you will never believe how much everything costs. Everything you see here is what I am going to use to prepare a whole week's worth of meals for me and my husband, Rotimi. Whole thing cost us a total of about £21. That's not the price I want to land at. I want it to be much smaller, but I thought that was great progress compared to, I'm even too embarrassed to tell you how much we're actually spending. So this is my first shopping trip, and I hope I can bring you along for more along the way. So I typically do this every Sunday, and I just do a big cook, and I cook for both morning and evening, and that's it. That's it for the entire week, and I have a whole week's worth of meals for both lunch and dinner. And then in the morning we have porridge, or just snack, or just have tea, and that's what we do now. And we're saving so much money, guys, so much money.
So I hope that helped you guys in some way to learn how to save money on food. We're working towards bigger projects, and it's important that we cut out the unnecessary rubbish that we're doing. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye.